Understanding the phrase, firing the engine, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, firing the engine. This phrase is commonly used in both literal and metaphorical contexts, and understanding its nuances can really enhance your English proficiency. Let's dive in and fire up our learning engines. Firing the engine primarily refers to the process of starting an engine, especially in vehicles like cars, motorcycles, or boats. This phrase originates from how internal combustion engines work, where a spark is used to ignite the fuel-air mixture, thus, firing the engine and starting it. It's a technical term often used in mechanics and automotive contexts. In everyday English, firing the engine can take on a metaphorical meaning. It's used to describe starting or initiating any process or activity. For example, when someone says, "Let's fire the engine on this project," they mean to start working on the project with energy and enthusiasm. It implies action and momentum. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. After the winter break, the team was eager to fire the engine and get back to work. 2. I need my morning coffee to fire the engine and start my day. In these sentences, firing the engine is used to express the beginning of an activity with vigor. It's important to not confuse firing the engine with literal fire or problems related to engines. This phrase is generally positive or neutral, signifying the start of something, not its malfunction or destruction. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has fired the engine of your English learning journey. Remember, understanding phrases like this can add color and depth to your language skills. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.